How to get balance certificate from CIBC Bank. The first thing you want to do is log into your CIBC online bank. So open up the CIBC mobile banking app or go to the CIBC online banking website on your computer. Then sign in using your username and password. Navigate to the Documents or Services section. Once you're logged in, look for the Documents tab or Services menu. The exact location may differ slightly between the app and the website. So on the CIBC mobile app, tap More and then tap on Documents or Account Services. On the CIBC online banking website, click on Profile and then select Documents Request or Account Services from the drop-down menu. Then request the balance certificate. In the Documents or the Account Services section, look for an option to request a balance certificate. Select this option and you may be asked to provide the account number for which you need the certificate. Fill in any required fields, such as the date range or specific purpose for the certificate. Then verify your identity if necessary. CIBC might ask you to do this, and then you'll have to verify your identity for security purposes. Then choose the delivery method. So CIBC typically offers two delivery methods for receiving your balance certificate: a downloadable PDF and the mail. Select the method that works best for you. Then you'll need to review and confirm the request. So double check all the details like the account number, purpose of the certificate, and the delivery method. Once everything looks correct, select Submit or Request Certificate. If you choose the downloadable PDF, you should receive the certificate immediately in your account dashboard or your email inbox. If you chose the mail option, you should receive your balance certificate at your registered address within a few days. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.